Hello everyone. Today we're going to guide you through the process of installing Cursor AI on Windows 11. Open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 device. In the search bar, type Cursor AI and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Cursor AI website. It should be the first link. Once on the website, look for the Download for Windows button and click it. Select a location on your computer to save the downloaded file, and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where the file is saved. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. The installer will launch and begin installing Cursor AI automatically. Note, you might see a pop-up asking for permission to run the installer. Click Yes to proceed. After the installation is complete, you'll see the Cursor AI icon on your desktop. Double-click on the icon to open the application for the first time. Select default keyboard as VS Code. When prompted, select VS Code as the default keyboard. Click Continue to proceed. Help improve Cursor. You'll be asked if you want to help improve Cursor AI by sharing anonymous usage data. Choose your preference and click Sokage Continue. To get started, you'll need to create an account. Enter your email address in the sign-up form and follow the prompts to complete the process. If you already have an account, you can log in instead. Once you've signed up or logged in, you're all set to start using Cursor AI. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Cursor AI on your Windows 11 system. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.